Welcome to English Through Book Ideas. Today, we are learning how to order food in English.
We will practice a natural restaurant conversation from the moment you enter until you are ready to order.
Let's imagine that Alex and Emma arrive at a restaurant.
I'll be the restaurant host, and you can be the customer.
Great, let's begin.
Good evening. Welcome to Green Garden Restaurant. How many people are in your party?
A table for two, please.
Certainly. Do you have a reservation?
No, we don't.
That's fine. Please follow me.
Thank you.
Here is your table. Your server will be with you shortly.
Thank you very much.
That was simple and polite.
Let's look at the first useful expression. A table for two, please.
You can change the number depending on your group.
A table for one, please.
A table for 3, please.
A table for five, please.
You may also hear the question, how many people are in your party?
In this situation, party means the group of people eating together. It does not mean a celebration.
You can answer, there are 2 of us.
Or simply say, two, please.
Now, let's continue. The server comes to the table.
Hello, my name is Alex and I'll be your server today. Here are your menus.
Thank you.
Can I get you something to drink?
Yes, I'd like a glass of water, please.
Still or sparkling?
Still water, please.
And for you?
I'll have an iced tea, please.
Certainly, I'll be right back.
Let's pause there.
The server asked, can I get you something to drink?
This is a very common way to ask for a drink order.
You can answer with, I'd like.
For example, I'd like a coffee, please.
Or you can say, I'll have.
For example, I'll have orange juice, please.
Both expressions are natural and polite.
I'd like is a shortened form of I would like.
Try not to say, I want coffee in a restaurant.
It is understandable, but it may sound too direct.
Say, I'd like a coffee, please.
Or, could I have a coffee, please?
Now, repeat after us.
A table for 2, please.
A table for two, please.
I'd like a glass of water, please.
I'd like a glass of water, please.
I'll have an iced tea, please.
I'll have an iced tea, please.
Excellent work.
Here is a quick challenge. Imagine you are entering a restaurant with 3 friends.
What do you say?
You can say, a table for 4, please.
Now, imagine the server asks what you would like to drink.
Answer with your favorite drink.
For example, I'd like a lemonade, please.
Keep practicing these short sentences until they feel natural.
The drinks have arrived and Alex and Emma are looking at the menu.
Let's practice asking questions about food and ordering a main meal.
Are you ready to order or do you need a few more minutes?
We need a few more minutes, please.
Of course, take your time.
This is useful when you're not ready.
You can say, we need a few more minutes, please.
You can also say, could we have a little more time?
A few minutes later, the server returns.
Are you ready to order now?
Yes, I think so.
What would you like?
I'd like the grilled chicken with rice, please.
Would you like soup or salad with that?
I'll have the salad, please.
What kind of dressing would you like?
What kinds do you have?
We have ranch, Italian, and honey mustard.
I'll have Italian dressing, please.
Certainly. And what would you like?
I'm thinking about the pasta. Is it spicy?
It is a little spicy, but not too hot.
That sounds good. I'll have the pasta, please.
Would you like to add chicken or shrimp?
I'd like to add shrimp.
Excellent. I'll place your order now.
Thank you.
Let's review some useful questions from the conversation.
Are you ready to order?
The server asks this when it is time to choose your food.
You can answer, yes, we're ready.
Or, we need a few more minutes, please.
Emma asked, is it spicy?
This is a helpful question when you want to know about the taste.
You can also ask, is it sweet?
Or, is it salty?
Is it vegetarian?
Does it contain nuts?
What do you recommend?
Let's hear a short example.
What do you recommend?
The grilled salmon is very popular.
Does it come with vegetables?
Yes, it comes with roasted vegetables and potatoes.
Great, I'll have that, please.
The expression come with means that something is included with the meal.
For example, does the burger come with fries?
Does the soup come with bread?
Does the meal come with a drink?
Now repeat these ordering phrases.
I'd like the grilled chicken, please.
I'd like the grilled chicken, please.
I'll have the salad.
I'll have the salad.
What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
Does it come with rice?
Does it come with rice?
Is it spicy?
Is it spicy?
Very good.
Now it is your turn. Choose one main dish.
Start your sentence with I'd like.
You might ask, does it come with bread?
Pause and say your 2 sentences out loud.
Speaking aloud helps your mouth and mind remember the expressions.
Sometimes you need to change an order because of your preferences or dietary needs.
Let's learn how to make special requests politely.
Excuse me, can I order the burger without onions?
Of course. Would you like everything else on it?
Yes, please. Lettuce and tomato are fine.
Would you like cheese?
No cheese, please.
Certainly. What side would you like?
Could I have a salad instead of fries?
Yes, there is a small extra charge for the salad.
That's fine.
How would you like your burger cooked?
Well done, please.
No problem.
This conversation included several useful expressions.
The first one is without.
Could I have the burger without onions?
This means you do not want onions in the burger.
You can say, no cheese, please.
Or, could you leave out the cheese?
The next expression is instead of.
Could I have a salad instead of fries?
This means you want the salad to replace the fries.
Here are more examples.
Could I have rice instead of potatoes?
Could I have vegetables instead of bread?
Could I have tea instead of coffee?
Remember that some changes may cost extra.
The server might say, there's an extra charge.
This means you need to pay more money.
You can answer, that's fine.
Or, how much is the extra charge?
Let's practice another situation.
Excuse me, does this dish contain dairy?
Yes, the sauce contains cream.
Could I have it without the sauce?
Certainly, we can serve the sauce on the side.
That would be great, thank you.
On the side means the sauce or another item is served separately.
You can say, could I have the dressing on the side?
Or, please put the sauce on the side.
Now imagine the food arrives.
Here's your grilled chicken and here's your pasta.
Everything looks delicious.
Is there anything else I can get for you?
Could we have some extra napkins, please?
Of course.
And could I have some more water?
Certainly, I'll bring it right away.
If you need something during the meal, begin politely with, excuse me.
Then say, could I have?
Excuse me, could I have another fork, please?
Excuse me, could we have some more bread, please?
Excuse me, could I have some ketchup, please?
Let's repeat the key expressions.
Without onions, please.
Without onions, please.
Could I have a salad instead of fries?
Could I have a salad instead of fries?
Could I have the sauce on the side?
Could I have the sauce on the side?
Could we have some extra napkins, please?
Could we have some extra napkins, please?
You are sounding more natural already.
Here is your speaking challenge.
Order a sandwich, remove one ingredient, and change the side dish.
For example, I'd like the chicken sandwich without tomatoes.
Could I have a salad instead of fries?
Now make your own order aloud.
The meal is finished. Now let's learn how to ask for dessert, give feedback, and pay the bill.
How is everything?
It was delicious, thank you.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. Would you like to see the dessert menu?
Yes, please.
Today we have chocolate cake, apple pie, and ice cream.
Amazing! The chocolate cake sounds good. Is it large enough to share?
Yes, it is a generous slice.
Great, we'll share one piece.
Would you like coffee or tea with it?
I'll have a cup of coffee, please.
And I'll have tea.
Certainly.
A little later, Alex and Emma are ready to leave.
Excuse me, could we have the bill, please?
Of course. Would you like to pay together or separately?
Separately, please.
No problem. I'll bring 2 bills.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, we accept cash and major credit cards.
Thank you.
Here are your receipts. Have a wonderful evening.
Thank you, you too.
Let's review the final expressions.
To ask for the bill, say, could we have the bill, please?
In some places, people also say, could we have the check, please?
Both bill and check can refer to the paper showing how much you need to pay.
The server may ask together or separately.
Together means one person pays the full amount.
Separately means each person pays for their own order.
You can say, one bill, please.
Or separate bills, please.
You may also ask, can I pay by card?
Or do you accept cash?
Now let's practice a complete short conversation.
Good evening. A table for 2?
Yes, please.
Can I get you something to drink?
I'd like a glass of water, please.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the grilled fish.
Would you like rice or potatoes?
Rice, please. Does it come with vegetables?
Yes, it does.
Great. Could I have the sauce on the side?
Certainly.
Later, after the meal, I say, could I have the bill, please?
Excellent.
Now it is time for a quick review.
What do you say when you enter a restaurant with one friend?
A table for 2, please.
What do you say when you need more time to choose?
We need a few more minutes, please.
How do you order politely?
I'd like the pasta, please.
How do you remove an ingredient?
Without onions, please.
How do you replace fries with a salad?
Could I have a salad instead of fries?
How do you ask to pay?
Could we have the bill, please?
Excellent job.
Here is your final challenge.
Imagine that you are in a restaurant. Order 1 drink, 1 main dish, and 1 dessert.
Ask one question about the meal.
Make 1 special request.
Finally, ask for the bill.
Try to speak for at least 30 seconds without stopping.
Write your food order in the comments.
Then practice reading it out loud 2 or 3 times.
Subscribe to English Through Book Ideas for more beginner-friendly daily conversations, vocabulary, and speaking practice.
Thanks for learning with us. See you in the next lesson.